Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and this is just a quick gaming test of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and it is using the Snapdragon 732G, and of course ours is the 4G version, so keep that in mind. So let's just start off straight away with Genshin Impact, and by default it suggests us to use the low graphical preset, so we'll just proceed with that as of now. And as you can see here, the frame drops by quite a lot. I would say it's really not that good of a gaming experience overall if you're gonna use low graphical settings. And now let's try low settings but at 60 FPS. And now we'll change it to the lowest graphical settings and also using it at 60 FPS to see how well this Snapdragon 732G will hold up. Overall, I would say the gaming experience for Genshin Impact in particular is not really that consistent. It drops below 30 FPS a lot, even at its lowest graphical setting preset. So I would say if you still want to play games using the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, you can, but specifically for Genshin Impact, please play it at the lowest graphical settings and don't expect it to go 30 FPS and maintain it there. And then comes PUBG Mobile, and unfortunately though, we are kinda lacking in terms of the amount of settings available for this game. I mean, if you look at it, it's either at smooth in ultra frame rates or HD at high frame rates. Obviously, I like that higher frame rate in terms of this kind of shooter game, so I'll proceed with smooth ultra. And for COD Mobile, we can go for high graphical quality but at max frame rate, or at very high graphical settings but at very high frame rate. I again want that high refresh rate, so we'll go with max frame rate instead.
Hardpoint identified. We tied for the lead. Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead. Friendly Shock RC is ready.
Reloading! Cover me!
Friendly Shock RC is coming. Hardpoint contested.
Need back! back up. Target's in sight. Back up.
Hardpoint contested.
Back up.
Hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Hardpoint contested. Predator missile inbound. Stealth chopper on standby. Stealth chopper inbound. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Sentry gun ready for deployment.
Reloading. Get down! Sniper! Sniper down!
Sentry gun deployed.
Sniper eliminated!
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Hardpoint contested.
There's an enemy!
And that's it. That's the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite in terms of gaming performance. The review for this phone will also come sometime later. So if you want to see anything specific about this phone, leave them down in the comment section below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.